I will give you the square, and square is another type of quadrilateral and parallelogram at the same time. And here, what is the difference between square and rectangle? In square, all the sides are same, congruent to each other, and all the angles are 90 degrees. And as you know, because it is a parallelogram, all the opposite sides are parallel to each other. So here in this shape, in this figure here, it's given all the properties of the square. So what you are understanding, if it's not written like a property here, like definition, these properties, what you understand from this figure? What is given to you?
It's given that D, C, A, B are congruent. Also the lines. We have 4 equilateral same, similar.
Teacher, if one side
you use all the words equilateral, similar, same.
one side is given, all of sides are the same.
Yes, all the sides are the same. Here, the diagonals
Are the same.
They are both the
on both sides.
So also they
Everything
set each other. AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD, and they are all equal to each other. And also diagonals are perpendicular to each other. What does mean perpendicular? They crossed in a 90 degrees angle. And one more thing in the angles, if you can see the
diagonals cut on 2 equal parts.
Yes.
Are bisectors.
Yes, the diagonals are the bisectors of the angles at the same time. So here we have 4 isosceles triangles and they are all same. And as you see, these angles are all same, 45, 45, 45, 45. It will be like that. So these are all general properties of the squares. And everywhere you can use these properties. It's okay, did we understand? If you will draw this or you have this shape in your book, everything is given this in this shape about squares, okay? Now, what is perimeter of a square? Because all the sides are same and we have 4 sides, perimeter will be 4 times A. Because it is A plus A plus A plus A, and it will be 4A. For the area, it's same as in the rectangle, the length and the height, length times height, because here they are the same, it becomes A times A, which is A square. Okay? It's very easy, and I think that most of us, we know about the square. Now here, there is an example. Find the area of a square with sides of length 4. So side is given, and it's easy to find the area. What will be?
4 square.
4 square, which is 16 centimeter square. Find the area of a square with perimeter 16. Perimeter is given here. What is perimeter? Perimeter is 4A. So if it is given 16, 16 is equal to 4A, then A will be 4. So if A is 4, area will be again 4 square, which is 16 centimeter square. Here, find the perimeter. Area is given and we need to find the perimeter. So the formula for area is A square, and if area is given as 36, A square is equal to 36 it will be. So from here, what will be A?
A will be a root of 36, which is 6.
Which is 6, yes.
Yes, which is 6. So if we know the side, can we find the perimeter?
Yes, 4 times A, which is 24.
Yes, so it will be 24 centimeters. So these are easy questions, easy stuff for the squares. It's okay, guys? Are you taking notes or?
I took screenshot. I will write after that.
Okay. Let me take the attendance not to forget because I'm forgetting them.
Can I rejoin from my laptop?
Okay. Are you in? I cannot see any.
What, teacher?
Alexander said, can you, what you said to me, Alexander?
I think to accept him
From
the
laptop, yes. But there is no any request here. Now, guys, while thinking about this question, let's take the attendance. Yusuf is not, I think. Anita?
I am here, teacher.
Anita is here. Alexander is.
Welcome.
Eva was here. Eva?
Here, teacher.
I'm here.
Okay. Elsa? No. Amra?
I'm here.
Amra is here. Yona?
Here.
Here. Stephanie?
Here.
Here. Fatih? Fatih? No. Kibariye?
Here.
Here. Tringa?
Here, teacher.
Here. Ardita?
Here.
Here. Arta?
I'm here.
Arta is here. And Giovanna
I'm here.
is here. Vesa?
I'm here, teacher.
Vesa is here also. Stanislav? Stanislav? Okay.
Yes, hello, teacher.
Hello, Stanislav. Where were you?
I was late, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Salman is here. Rumeysa
Here.
is here. Sarah?
I'm here.
Here. Erman is permitted. Hamza? No. Besan?
Here, teacher.
So guys, did you read the question?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Yes. So here what is given, that ABCD is a square, AB and EC are divided into 3 congruent parts. Okay. And the area of the square is 144 centimeters square, and find the area of the shaded region. So here, guys, what do you think? What can we do? Let me take it here.
Teacher, sorry for interrupting you. Which page is this problem?
Which page is this problem? Good question. I don't know in which page.
123.
120 page 123. Now here, guys, in this question, what can we do? What do you think? It's given that this side is divided into 3 equal parts, and this part is divided into 3 equal parts, and we know the area of the square. From
Teacher,
area,
firstly, we can start by finding the sides of the.
so we can find the side of the square. Let's find it. If area is 144, it is a square. So what is a will be root of
4, which is 12.
which is 12. So one side of the square is 12 centimeters.
Teacher, here can we use the property 30, 60, 90?
Do we know some angles that is 30, 60 here?
No, but no.
No.
90. The
We
other,
just know.
for example, this one is not a diagonal, so it is not bisecting, and it's not given anything about this too. angles. But here, if I
Teacher, also we can find the parts which is equal from
I
AB.
couldn't hear you.
From the side AB, we can find that, for example, AE is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4.
Yes, which this part will be 4. This part is 12. Okay, all these parts will be 4. Okay.
And now,
Here, guys, I will draw a line from D to E. Okay, except that this is a straight line that goes to.
we can do it with Pythagorean theorem.
Now here, when I will draw this line, here I have a triangle DEC. Yes. Can I find the area of this triangle DEC somehow? What do you think? I know.
The area.
Yes, the area of this DEC.
If we draw a diagonal from D to B,
If you will draw diagonal from D to B, what will help?
No, teacher, we should find the area of the triangle.
Yes, I'm asking you how we can find the area of this triangle.
Teacher, to make like the area of DAE plus area of EBC and plus area of DCE will be 144.
So yes, so here we have 3 different triangles, yes, for in the square. We have the triangle, let me write here. We have triangle AED. We have triangle EBC, and we have triangle DEC. Can I find the area of this triangle? AED. So this is a triangle. So it's very easy.
4 times 4,
12 times 4 over 2.
48. Okay.
It will be 24.
6 times 24.
Okay, so it will be 24 centimeter square. Area of EBC. Also this one is a right triangle, and I know 2 sides.
Is 8 over 2.
12 times 8 over 2 will be. So when I will simplify 12 times 4, 48 centimeter square. Area of DEC can be written as area of ABCD, the whole square, minus area of AED plus
EBC.
EBC.
EBC. EBC. Now, area of ABCD is given as 44. Yes, minus here we have 4 plus 48. So this one will be 144 minus 72.
Yes.
Right. So area,
the final 72.
Area of DEC is equal to 72 centimeter square. Now I know the area of this one, this triangle. Here in this triangle, how many parts I have? 3 parts. And the bases of three triangles I have, and the bases of triangles are same, as you can see. And the height, if I will draw the height of this triangle here somehow, for example, this height is same for all of them because it is from the same vertex. So the areas here are same. So area of, oops, let me write with white. Area of DEC is equal to 3S, as you can see, yes? So from
Yes.
Yes.
S is equal to 72 and S will be 72 over 3, which is 14, no 14, 24, something like that.
For you.
24 centimeters square. So the area, shaded area will be 24 centimeters square. I don't know, maybe I gave a long way. I don't know how it is in the book. Let me check. But did you understand?
Yes, teacher. It's understandable.
Okay. In the book, they have said directly that the area of DEC is half of the square. But how they decided it, I don't know.
How is it in the book, teacher? Can you repeat?
In the book, they have said directly that area of DEC, this triangle, is half of the area of the square. But
And
how they said it directly, I don't know. I'm not sure. If you understood this way, it's a bit more long, but it's more certain.
Yes, teacher. Teacher, can you go a little bit up to take screenshot?
Yes. It's okay, guys. Did you understand what we have done?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, why we divided by 3 here?
Because here, Salman, this triangle, the base of that triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. So here you have 3.
Yes, from one. Okay, okay. I understood now.
Okay.
From one point we do 3 equal. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Sure, can you go down?
Of course. Can I continue to the next one?
Yes, teacher.
Next question.
Sure. Why you wrote 3S?
Because here I have, as I said, 3 equal areas. Look.
Ah, you named them with S. So.
Yes, I named them with S.
Okay.
Okay. Now here we have another question. In the figure, ABCD is a square, given that AE is 3 and EB is 5. Find the area of shaded region, find the perimeter of the square. So for this one, I think that it's easy.
It's easier, teacher.
Yes, we can find the area. We should find the area, teacher.
If it's given that it's square, so also this
8 times 8,
is
it
5.
will be
Or 5, I'm saying.
8. Teacher.
Yes, 8.
8.
All of the sides are 8.
Yes.
And we
so,
will just do minus.
Yes, so area of the shaded region, which is D, E, B, C, will be equal to area of all the square A, B, C, D minus area of the triangle A, D, E. So if we know the sides of the square, we can find the area of the square, which will be 8 times 8 minus area of the triangle here. What will be? This is because that it is square, this one is 90 degrees. Yes. So what will be? It's a right triangle.
It will be 8 times 3 over.
Yes, 8 times 3 over 2 it will be. So it is 64 minus 4 times 3, 12, which will be 52. Am I right?
Yeah.
Centimeter square.
Yes.
That area, the shaded region, is 52 centimeters square. perimeter? What will be perimeter of the
4a.
4a?
8 plus 8.
Yes,
4
A, B,
times
C, D, which will be 4 times 8. It is 32 centimeter.
Teacher, why we do 4 times 8?
Perimeter.
Perimeter.
Yeah, I understand that, but
Four sides of square.
we should find the whole the perimeter, okay, of the square. Okay.
Square of the square, not this one. The
Okay.
perimeter of the square. It's okay, guys. The others in the class. Right now we are 18 with me, so 17 students, 3 of them is talking. 14 students, are you here? Are you listening? Are you understanding?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay.
They're doing baklava for Bayram.
For
I know.
Bayram.
I don't know how, Salman.
Don't eat too much baklava tomorrow. Okay. Don't get ill then.
And some pieces
So, yeah.
like with cargo.
So if we are ready, if you are ready, let's continue
Yes.
the other one.
Wait, teacher.
Okay. In the book, guys, you have more exercises about squares, about rectangles. At the end of the chapter, you know, practice them because you can start to practice from now because the questions will be from there, the exercises parts. So if you have time, while you have time, or if you have understood the topic, start to solve the exercises part questions, not to have problem at the end, okay?
Yes.
The exercises parts for the parallelogram, rectangle, and square is page 133. And you have the others also that we will study, but now we have studied parallelogram, rectangle, and square. Now, let's see the other question. Here we have, here we have Salman's favorite triangle.
30, 60, 90.
Yes, we'll find that triangle, 30, 60, 90. Now, check a bit the question. What is given in the question? What is given, what is asked? It's the square.
And area.
What area of the square is asked?
The perimeter and the area is asked, and it's given only that it is a square, and this side that it is 2 DE, it is 2 root 3, and this angle 15. The other things are not given anything. So here,
Teacher, where can we use it here? 90.
Teacher, I think the 2 root of 3 is the height of the triangle.
no, it's not height. It's not 90 degrees here.
Uh-uh.
It has to be 90 degrees. Now here, if I will draw the diagonal from D to B.
We can find that the base is 2 and the other one is 4.
From the properties in the beginning of the lesson that we said that diagonals are perpendicular to each other, we said 90
Yes.
degrees, yes? And we said that the diagonals bisect the angles. So this part is 45,
45.
other part is 45. So if this one is 15, this small piece is 15, this part will be
30, and we have a base of 3.
and here we have, if this one is
2,
this one is 90, this is 60.
60.
And the opposite of the 90 degrees is 2 root 3. What will be, do you remember how we were saying Opposite of
For 30 is A, for 60 is 2 root 3, and for 90 is
so 2 root 3 is, let's say, for this one, not A, but let's say B, because it will be
A
A.
square.
Look, let me draw the triangle here to remember. When we had 90, 30, and 60, how we're writing? Let's say 2x, then opposite of 30 would be,
X.
oh, 2, I'm writing x, and opposite of 60 will be x root of 3.
Oh yes, we will have a base of root 3.
Now here, in our triangle, what we have, 2x is equal to 2 root 3. Yes?
X is equal to root 3.
X will be root 3. And this one, let's say this is O. It's not seen. This is O. So DO will be root 3 times root 3, this part.
Will be 3.
So it will be 3. So if this part is 3 and this part will be 3.
3.
Can I find the side right now? If the side is A.
Yes, we will have A the square plus A square is equal to the 6 square.
A square plus A square will be 6 square, 6 square Pythagorean theorem, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
So it will be
2A
2A
square
square is equal to
36.
36.
A
A
square is
square will
equal
be
to
18.
18.
Then A will be root of 18, which is 9 times 2. It will be 3 root 2. Now, I know.
Beside this.
So perimeter will be 4 times A, which is 4 times 3 root 2. And perimeter will be 12 root 2. Area will be A square. A square already we have here, 18. Okay. Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes.
This 18 centimeter square. This is centimeter, not square. Okay, did we understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, great. Let me check if we have one more question or not. You have the practice problems. Okay. We have 6 minutes. If you have written this one.
No, teacher, wait.
Okay.
Wait, teacher.
After square, we have rhombus, we have kite, trapezoid, and then circles. But I don't know if we can arrange to finish. We have to be a bit faster, guys, to see also the circles, because we will have one more Monday that will be
Great.
Yeah, hard. Yes.
2 more lessons we'll lose here. We'll see. We'll try to arrange. If it is okay, let's see what kind of questions we have on the practice problem.
Teacher, I'm just a minute, teacher. Just
Okay. Okay. It's okay?
now, teacher.
Yes.
For me, yes.
Okay. Now here in practice problems, the first one, let's check. The length of sides of 2 squares are in the ratio 3 to 4. What is the ratio of the areas of the 2 squares? What do you think? How it will be? 3a. If this one is 3 to 4, it means that 3a, let's think like this. 3a, the one side of the side of one square is 3a, the side of the other square is 4a, yes?
Yes.
So
Yes.
the area of the first square will be 9a square. The area of the other square will be 16
A square.
square. So the ratio will be 9 to 16. The ratio of the areas will be 9 to 16. Yes? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes.
So find the perimeter of a square with area 400 centimeters square. I think that we can do this one.
Divide by 40.
Area is given. It means that this one, a square is equal to 400. Then root of 400 will be 8. Then you'll find the perimeter.
Okay.
Let's see this one.
The perimeter will be 80.
Here in the second one.
Yes.
Oh, 80.
80. One side will be 20 and
Okay.
20 times 40.
Yes. In the third one, in the figure ABCD is a square. AB is divided into 4 congruent parts. This part. The area of the quadrilateral BCDE, this one is 50 centimeter. Now here shaded area is given as 50 centimeter. We need to find the area of the square.
The area of the square minus this part, teacher.
But-
Plus the area of the triangle.
But anything is not given with sides, and this is what will only I can say that this is, let's say, x. So this one will be 4x, and this one will be 4x.
Teacher, we can find the triangle.
50 plus the area of
But okay, 50 plus area of the triangle, yes, but how we'll find the area of the triangle?
Here,
We don't know the size. Yes, Alexander?
4x times
will be 45, teacher, one side of the triangle.
BC
Of the triangle?
Yes.
45. How you mean 45?
Teacher, here we have 3 different.
Under
No,
it's 19 degrees divided by 2, it will be 45.
Which angle? Which angle you are dividing by 45? I mean by 2.
DC, CD, teacher.
CD.
No, you can't answer.
teacher, if we divide all, if we do 4 different triangles,
What you mean, this one?
yes,
Yeah.
to do 4 different
This?
triangles,
And then?
and then teacher we will have 4x times 4x over 2. No.
Let's see. Do we have time? We have less than 1 minute. You mean like this?